I'm attorney Neil Shouse, and I represent victims of failed hernia mesh devices. Patients suffering side effects and complications often ask me about surgery to remove or repair the mesh. Now, the decision of whether to have your hernia mesh removed is one that you should make in close consultation with your doctor. But there's 5 typical types of complications that can lead to removal surgery. And these include 1. Infection of the tissue and organs around the hernia mesh device. 2. Migration of the device to other parts of the body. Number 3. Bowel obstruction, where part or all of the small or large intestine becomes blocked. 4. Perforation of organs, where the hernia mesh or scar tissue adheres to or even becomes lodged in an organ. And 5. Chronic symptoms such as pain, nausea, constipation, diarrhea, and fatigue. It may be possible in some cases to remove a hernia mesh device laparoscopically, but many times it requires incisions and invasive surgery, and especially if the mesh device has adhered to or perforated an organ, the operation can be extremely complicated and can involve life-threatening risks. If you're suffering complications from hernia mesh surgery and you're thinking about having the hernia mesh removed, it's necessary to discuss this and determine this with your doctor. And it's often advisable to get second and third opinions from specialists. If you have questions about your legal rights and whether you qualify to join the lawsuits against these hernia mesh manufacturers, we invite you to call us 24 hours a day here at the Shouse Law Group at 855 Law Firm.